Welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets calm and every project turns ordinary wood into extraordinary art. Today we are exploring the world of pyrography through 101 wood-burning ideas that anyone can learn, even if you have never held a wood-burning pen before. Get ready, because the designs you are about to discover may spark a new passion, a new hobby, or even a small business. Wood burning is a unique art form because you don't need fancy tools or expensive materials. All you need is a wood burning pen, a smooth piece of wood, and a little patience. The moment that glowing tip touches the surface, something magical happens. Lines appear, patterns grow, and designs begin to transform plain wood into warm, detailed artwork that lasts a lifetime. Let's begin with simple designs that help you practice control. Line art is one of the easiest ways to start. Outlines of feathers, flowers, leaves, waves, mountains, animals, and simple shapes help you learn how heat affects wood. Minimalist drawings let you focus on clean lines instead of complicated details. From there, floral designs are a natural next step. Petals, vines, branches, and leaves curve beautifully on wood, making them perfect for beginners and advanced artists alike. Their favorite is animal silhouettes. A bird in flight, a wolf howling at the moon, a butterfly, a running horse, or a sitting cat can all be created with just outlines and light shading. Once your confidence grows, mandalas are an amazing design to explore. Even though a mandala looks complex, the process is calming and repetitive. You repeat simple shapes in a circle until the entire pattern glows with symmetry. Custom monograms, names, and meaningful quotes are also incredibly popular and make great gifts. Adding a burned family name to a cutting board or creating a wooden plaque with a motivational phrase instantly turns a basic item into something treasured. Rustic farmhouse signs are another pyrography classic. Words like welcome, home, blessed, kitchen, gather, or family instantly upgrade entryways, living rooms, or dining areas. Little home symbols like arrows, branches, or hearts bring everything together. If nature inspires you, you can burn small landscape scenes. A mountain range, a pine forest, a flowing river, or a sunset with birds adds peaceful mood and warmth. Many beginners also enjoy burning pet portraits. Start by outlining the features and slowly adding layers of shading to create fur and depth. Now let's explore some functional designs that make everyday items beautiful. Wooden coasters are perfect for small designs like leaves, initials, geometric shapes, and symbols. Wooden spoons can be decorated with flowers or patterns along the handle. Cutting boards are great for quotes, kitchen theme art, and family recipes. Burning a handwritten recipe onto a wooden board is one of the most meaningful pyrography gifts you can create. Jewelry boxes, bookmarks, trays, and key holders also become stunning when decorated with burn patterns. As your skills grow, you can take on intermediate designs. These include mandalas with deeper layers, detailed flowers like roses and sunflowers, botanical patterns, tribal animals, wolf heads, dream catchers, compass drawings, celestial themes with moons and stars, traditional tattoo-inspired line work, and more complex geometric patterns. Each new project teaches you something new about heat, shading, and texture. Next, you reach the advanced level. This is where pyrography becomes true fine art. You can burn realistic portraits, detailed animals with fur texture, dramatic landscapes, architecture, old ships on waves, dragons, phoenixes, skulls, layered mandalas, and three-dimensional illusions. These designs require deep shading, slow strokes, and patience, but the results can be stunning. Each layer of shadow adds depth until the wood looks alive and textured. Pyrography also has many shading techniques that help bring designs to life. Flat shading creates soft shadows for petals and faces. Cross-hatching gives a textured look with intersecting lines. Dot shading allows gradual transitions using tiny dots. Edge shading highlights outlines by gently darkening the borders. Texture shading helps you make fur, bark, scales, stone, or feathers. Layered shading is the secret behind realism because it lets you slowly build depth without burning too dark too quickly. Your choice of wood also affects your results. Basswood is the top choice because it burns smoothly and evenly, making it great for beginners. Birch, maple, poplar, and bamboo are also reliable. Always sand your wood before burning. A smooth surface keeps your lines sharp and prevents the pan from catching or dragging. To create professional-looking pyrography, transfer your design lightly with carbon paper or pencil before burning. Always test your heat level on a scrap piece of wood. Start with light burns, because you can always darken them later. Work slowly, take breaks, and let the pen glide without forcing it. Changing the tip of your pen helps with details, shading, and outlines. After finishing your design, seal your wood with a clear coat to protect it for years. Safety is very important. Always burn in fresh air or near a fan. Keep your tool on a heat-safe stand and never touch the metal tip. If you work with resin-heavy woods like pine, wear a mask to avoid fumes. Have a safe spot for your hot pen when you pause, and never leave it plugged in unattended. Pyrography is more than a craft. It is relaxing, artistic, and personal. With these 101 wood-burning ideas, you can create beautiful decor, meaningful gifts, or even products to sell. Personalized cutting boards, pet portraits, family name signs, wedding gifts, ornaments, and wooden bookmarks are always in high demand. Wood burning is rewarding because your progress shows in every line you burn. Your next masterpiece is waiting in your hands. Pick up your pen, choose your design, and let the art flow.